Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to put an hyperlink on Canva created newsletter. For example, you can see this newsletter right here. If I were to tap on this link, you can see that it automatically opens to a new page. I'll be showing you how to add an hyperlink to that. The first thing you want to do is go onto Canva. Once on Canva, you're going to tap on templates from the left-hand menu option, and you're going to type in emails. From here, you have numerous email templates that you can choose from. Now let's say for example's sake I were to select this template and I'm just going to tap on customize the template. After you have done that, you can choose where you would like to add the hyperlink. With Canva, you can choose to either add the hyperlink to a text or you could choose to add it to an image. You have numerous options. Now let's say for example I would like to add it to this image. All I would need to do is simply copy the hyperlink. So I'm going to go here and let's say for example I would like to copy this link. I'll copy the link, then I'm going to go back into Canva and I'm just going to select the image. Then we'll tap on the link icon and you'll paste in the link right there. Then you're just going to tap on done. Now that I've done that, if I were to tap on send test email, it will automatically send the email for me, or I could tap on share right here. Once you have tapped on share, from there you could connect your Gmail account and it will automatically upload the email template to your Gmail. Or another option that you could also choose is you could tap on download. You could select PDF standard and from there you could download it. Whichever one of these options, if you were to download it and then for example send it via email, the person will still be able to tap on the link. That's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.